Okay, so the day has come. Now you can sell your products on YouTube as well. Because as you guys already know that this is the era of technology, artificial intelligence and e-commerce, where every platform that exists try to give their users and contributor some valuable things, some valuable feature from which they can actually get the benefits, right? So as you guys know that in the past couple of years, Amazon, eBay and Shopify has been some great platform where people can actually sell and purchase products. Like the buyer go on Amazon and purchase their product and seller sell that products and sell that product, right? So in that way, buyer can get the product and seller can get the money. But as you know that in any business where buying and selling is involved, the most important role is being played by marketing. And the seller who used to sell their products on these platforms take the help of the social media platform to market their product, to run their ads like Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads and TikTok ads, right? Because you already know that without advertisement or without marketing, no seller can actually get their product promoted or no seller can get the sales. So when the time passes, these social media platform realizes that if the sellers on e-commerce marketplace take the advantage of their platform to promote their product, so why not launch their own e-commerce platform? Then the first social media platform which comes into the market was Facebook, and they launched Facebook Marketplace. And then after the success of Facebook Marketplace, TikTok launched their e-commerce platform which is called TikTok Shop. So after launching these social media platform, it was too easy for the buyer to just purchase their product while watching their content on social media, and the seller also get the advantage because in very less advertising cost, they can actually promote their product and get their product exposure to the target audience in very less cost and within that social media platform to the users who are consuming content from that social media. Right? So now after Facebook and TikTok, YouTube thought that they should also do something like this. YouTube is the biggest content consuming site in the world and they are having millions of content uploaded every month and billions of users watching the content on their platform. So some months ago, YouTube has actually launched the feature of product tagging into the YouTube videos. So all the content creators who are basically creating and uploading any video, and if they are showing any product in their video, so they can actually tag that product on that video, so people who are watching that video and who want to purchase that product can actually place the order for that product within just one tap on that same video. So they don't have to go to the description, they don't have to go to outside the platform and to put too much efforts. So the whole process of buying a product is very smooth. Like they are watching the video and the content creator is showing a product in the video and they can actually get the same product by just one tap. So now in today's video, I'm going to show you how this feature looks like and how you can actually use that feature to make a lot of money online. And if you're not having a YouTube channel right now, you can actually make one because day by day, YouTubers keep adding more features to make money online for their creators. So you can earn from multiple ways. So like you can create videos and earn from the ads, and you can actually earn from the product you promote on your video. Right? So let's see how we can tag the products on YouTube and how we can sell product on YouTube and make money online. But before getting started, I'm having an exciting news for you because I'm giving you a chance to win a free consultation call with me. So to enroll in that lucky draw is super simple. All you have to do is comment on this video and join my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online. That's it. This is a 10-second process. So what are you waiting for? Go there, enroll yourself in that free lucky draw and get a chance to win some valuable stuff every week. And the details about the winners and the prizes you can find in that group. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I am on my laptop right now and from here I have opened my YouTube channel. So you can see that these are the tabs on my YouTube channel: Home, Videos, Shorts, and if I go at the end, you can see this new tab, Store. So if I click on that store, so you can see that just for a test purpose, I have added these 3 designs on my YouTube channel. So people can actually purchase these t-shirts which they can find on my every video, and they can just click on that t-shirt or hoodie and YouTube will actually take them to my store. From where they can actually change the color or select the color they want, select the size they want, and they can add to cart that product and they can purchase, right? So in that way I can sell my products as well on my videos and earn some extra money. So now at this point you might be thinking that these are only t-shirts or print on demand sites, but no, this is not a complete thing. You can actually sell any product in the world on your YouTube videos. So you can see that this is one of my print on demand store which I created on Teespring, and if I go on teespring.com, so you can see that this is my dashboard. So from the Teespring website, I can create design and then I can promote product for that design like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and if I scroll further down, I can find some other product as well like hat, cap, trousers, and so on. So in that way, I can promote these kind of print on demand product on any of my YouTube video or even all of my YouTube video. I just have to create the design, and when I get the order, so they will print that design and deliver that product to my customer, and I will get the money. So that was for the print on demand. But what if you want to sell any other product like chair, sofa, or any of the product that is not listed on that website? So basically in that way, you can just create your Shopify store, and then you can create a listing of that product and tag that listing in any of your YouTube video which you want. So basically for that purpose, you have to go on your YouTube studio, and from the left side, you need to scroll down and click on this Earn tab. So from this Earn tab, if you go on this Shopping tab, so you will be able to see this button called Connect Store. So if you click on that, so you will be able to see some platform option here, which are Fourth Wall, Shopify, Spreadshop, and Teespring. So if you click on Shopify and click on continue, so you will be able to create your Shopify store on one click, and on that store, you can just list your product, any product in the world you want, right? And when you list that product, so you will be able to tag that product on any of your video. For example, if I go on the content, and then if I just click on edit on any of my recent video, just like this one, so when I edit any of my video, so on the right side, if I scroll down, so I can see this tab under subtitle, end screen, and cards, which is called products, right? So if I just click on that product, edit, so you can see that there are no tag product in this video. So if you connect your Shopify store with your YouTube channel, so you will be able to see all of your products which are listed on a Shopify store here. So in front of any product, you can just click on plus button and then click on save. So that product will be automatically tagged from your Shopify store to your YouTube video. So any of the viewer who is watching your video will be able to see a shop now button on your YouTube video regarding that product. And when you promote that product in that video, so they can actually click on that button and they can place the order of that product on your YouTube video right away. So isn't it amazing? Like, you don't need any platform to sell your product like Amazon or eBay, and you don't need any platform to market your product. Like, you can just actually get everything done inside one app, which is YouTube. Like, you can promote that product and you can sell that product, and you can get the money from the promotion and from the videos as well. So I hope you like this method, and after watching this video, you will go there and start implementing and learning about this method and start making money online. So my friends, this is only the beginning. Like, you can see that this is 2024, and right now we are basically entering the era of e-commerce and AI. Like, from past couple of years, these things are basically booming up, and we never know that in future years where the technology goes and how many easy ways will be there to make money online. So if you are still not making money online, then I will advise you that it's not too late. Just go on my YouTube channel, watch some of my videos, and ask your questions in my Facebook group, so you can get the correct guidance and you can start your online business right now before it gets too late and it gets too competitive. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.